This is your boy, Alex, Audio Tech, coming at you guys with another one. This is the one that I was looking for. Soundcore by Anchor Select Pro. I thought it was going to be called the Motion Boom Pro, but it's called the Select Pro. Portable, waterproof speaker, and it has lights. 16 hours of battery life, IP67. It has the EQ mode, of course, the bassed up button. Okay, so it looks just like the Motion Boom. It's just with lights and less juice because it has lights, of course. So it doesn't last 24 hours. It lasts 16 hours according to the box. Took a little ding right here. So, once again, I already got the Anchor app to get this thing unboxed. Not too much to talk about. We got the USB Type-C to USB Type-A for reverse charging. Hopefully the speaker has charge. I bought the speaker like, Jesus Christ, a year and a half ago. Here we go. Let's take a look at this bad boy. Let's take a look at this bad boy right here. Okay, let me point the camera down some. See if it has any juice. The buttons on this one are like plasticky. They're not like rubber like the other ones. Oh, hold on, right here. Oh, wow, it has juice. Let me connect it to my iPhone 15 Pro, and we're gonna see what it comes out on there. Bluetooth, guys. And I need to hurry up because I'm starving. Starving. So, under Bluetooth, you're going to find it under Soundcore Select Pro. So, basically the name of it. Hold on, guys, because I feel like the camera's kind of like tilted. There we go. Sorry about that. All right, now let's play some non-copyrighted music. Let me get out of this channel and go into my other channel. Right here. Non-copyrighted music. Here we go. No copyright sound. That's where I listen to my music. No copyright sound. None of these songs are copyrighted. Oh yeah, so I forgot to give you guys the go around. Passive radiators. The tree stops in the bottom. The back, we got the the USB Type-A to reverse charge and the USB Type-C. So that's it. There's no aux cable connections on mostly none of these Soundcore speakers, to be completely honest, that I've noticed. And the speakers are different from the Select Pro and Motion Boom. So I understand they got the same design of build quality, but the speakers are like a white and the other ones are like a metallic gray. Turn this all the way up. Mess with these lights. 30 watts. And the speaker is 30 watts. Just to let you guys know. So they got two light shows. Love this little speaker. What? I didn't expect that I was going to like it this much, but it's a great sounding little speaker. Seriously, great sounding little speaker. And I bought it for, I think it was like $60 on Amazon. I will be dropping that affiliate link down in the comment section down below if you guys are interested. Buy one, support the channel by buying it through my affiliate link on Amazon. You know, I'll probably get like 60 cents, but 60 cents is better than none. You know, the commission on Amazon is not the best when you're, you know, selling, you know, promoting stuff that's not that expensive. The only time you see people making real money is if this speaker would have been like $500, $600, $700, $800, then yeah. But no, these speakers are affordable. So yeah, so click on that affiliate link, help out the channel, and I would thank you, highly appreciate it. I turned off the lights because this speaker's been on this box for a little bit more than a year, and I don't want it to die half midway in the video. But so far, love how the lights react to the beat. Love the positive radiators, love the bass. Such a small speaker, packing a hell of a punch, guys. A hell of a punch. Now let's go to the next song.
Take me in slow, breathe me in and let me go. Feeling the lumps inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes up. Lost control. Oh, it's Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
Like I said, a really nice speaker and everything. Love this little speaker, man.
Talk to me. Why have you been avoiding me so much lately? Did I do something wrong, or was it maybe something I said? I'm going crazy thinking about it.
Didn't do anything.
Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault. Say you miss me and you wish that you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling. Say our love is hard. Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press restart.
Nothing is wrong.
Something is obviously bothering you. Suddenly you're Mr. Distant.
Say you're sorry, darling. Say it's all your fault. Say you miss me and you wish that you answered my calls. Say you're not done falling. Say our love is hard. Say you're waiting for me, that you wanna press restart.
Oh, and good luck with your buddy in the Mercedes.
Love the bass, love the sound. Really affordable speaker, nice sounding too.
I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on, so I keep fighting every day. I don't blame myself. better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on. I'm only human.
Maybe I'm an alien. Must be something heaven sent. Payback for the love I spent. Oh my, this time I'ma keep it gonna stay fucked up, feel so good. High on my, the sky underneath my feet, it never looked so good. Oh my, that's right, I'ma keep it up, stay fucked up, that's my mood. Oh my euphoria. Down to see us more, it's
telling you, this little speaker kicks ass, man. Play another song. Nah, not that one. Let's see. Videos. I think I already played that one. This is the new one. Oh, did I? Let me see.
Didn't mean forever, yeah. Didn't mean forever, yeah. Didn't mean forever. Picking up the pieces of a broken heart, yes, I was chosen. Stitch it back together, better late than never, steady motion. Can't control my fate, but I control all these emotions. I'm not broken, I'm not broken. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the Gravity can take his arms around my legs and try to pull me. I'll still levitate. The greatest gift I got, his name is holy. One thing I learned, pain hurts, but don't control me. I'm not broken, I'm not broken. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game.
This has 25 minutes of music. But anyway, great little speaker, guys. The affiliate link will be pinned down below in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love it. Love the light show. I'm surprised it lasted this long because, like I said, it's been on the box for like more than a year. Never charged it, never used it. All I did was open it to make sure it was okay because I had a batch of speakers that I had bought from, I don't remember if this one came from Amazon or Walmart. I just remember that I was getting a big batch of speakers, not Soundcore, but other speakers that weren't working right. Like the one that I got right now, that's a super affordable speaker. I'm charging it because it died. I guess I didn't let it fully charge, but I don't get it because it was charging for like 7 hours. So, not to take any shine away from Soundcore, but this other speaker, if it doesn't work, I'm taking it to Walmart this week. I'm not losing money. $20 is $20. It doesn't matter how much money it is. If you buy something and it doesn't work, you take it back. That's it. Love this little speaker though. So I had opened it to test it out to see if it worked. Perfectly fine. Then I put it back in the box. I was like, this is not an unboxing. So I decided to officially unbox it with you guys. You get what I'm saying? So definitely a great little speaker. Highly recommend it. And pinned down in the comment section down below, you will see it. I noticed the battery started going lower though, because this is one thing about Soundcore that I learned from having Soundcore. These were my first speakers. Now that I'm older, when the volume starts going lower on the Soundcore speaker, that means that the battery is going low. So I am gonna, fully charge this speaker. And on non-copyrighted music, this thing sounds super loud, pals. I mean, super loud, guys. Super, super loud. So like I said, I highly recommend it. It's a nice looking speaker. I know it reminds you of the Motion Boom, but this is not the Motion Boom. This is actually the Soundcore Select Pro with the lights. So yeah, like I said before, like, comment, and subscribe. Click on that affiliate link to help your boy out. I'll be having the Amazon affiliate link, and if I can't find it on Amazon, then I'll put the Walmart affiliate link, even though I'm not gonna, well, not an affiliate link, I mean just a link, even though I'm not gonna get paid from Walmart for promoting this speaker and giving them the the money basically. But I'll see if I can find it on Amazon. If I can't find it on Amazon, then I'll do it on Walmart and just whatever. As long as you guys get the speaker that you like, that's the ultimate goal, whether it's on Amazon or Walmart. Walmart is more profitable for me because I get a commission. Amazon, but Walmart, no. But yeah, guys, like I said before, like, comment, and subscribe. Take care. God bless and be safe. Thank you so much for watching this content and liking and subscribing. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. You already, and thank you for watching.